favored one, the Lord is with you. Don't be afraid, you shall have a son. He shall be great, the Son of God Most High, and he shall reign, his kingdom shall have no end. Hail, favored one, the Lord is with you.
Just a simple girl from a simple world, oh angel, how can this be? How can I have a child when I'm still a child? Please tell me, how can this be? I'm still a virgin, what will my parents say?
Awesome dream last night. An angel spoke to me, said it's alright. Sweet Mary carries God's own Son, and you shall call his name Jesus. Don't be afraid, take Mary to be your bride. Don't be afraid, take Mary to be your bride. An angel spoke to me last night. The Lord